Okay, I wanted to share this. This is my federal case against Fallon Paiute Shoshone tribal police officer Shasta Juarez and Sergeant Griggs, and there's a lot of them. The chief, the tribal council, because they seem to have a policy or a procedure of just ignoring complaints and not doing public records requests and stuff. So anyways, so this, right? And this is normal, right? There's always going to be a report and recommendation of the magistrate judge, and if I state the claim the way that it needs to be done, which I knew that it was screwed up to begin with, but I did it like at the last minute to preserve the statute of limitations. So anyway, so I did this all by myself. Of course, I copied off of, like the Attorney General to make sure that I'm quoting everything just right. And so, yay. So I just made it fit. God, my phone just shakes like crazy. I don't think that's me. Anyway, so I did that, right? And then whoop. So this came in today in the email. I'm so excited. Okay, so it says, God, I wish I would clear up. Stop shaking. Anyways, it just basically lays it out. Pro se plaintiff Shelley Lynn Hokinson filed application to proceed in former papyrus civil rights violation complaint, bringing claims against several Fallon Paiute Shoshone tribal officers under USC 1983. Blah, blah, blah. Before the court is report and recommendation of United States Magistrate Judge Carla L. Baldwin recommending that the IFP application be granted, the complaint be dismissed with leave to amend. Objections to the report and recommendations were due February 7th. Hokinson had not filed an objection. However, on February 19th, 2025, she submitted a motion for extension of time to file an amended complaint in which she appears to indicate her non-opposition to the R&R while requesting additional time to amend her pleading. As explained below, the court will adopt the R&R in full as unopposed and will grant the plaintiff's motion. The plaintiff will have 45 days from the date of this order to file an amended complaint. Because there was no objection, the court need not conduct a de novo review and is satisfied that Judge Baldwin did not clearly err. And I agree. The thing definitely was a hot mess, but it had to be done. So I had to preserve that statute, and my computer broke just within 2 days before that. So I had to start from scratch. It was a nightmare. Anyway, it says recommendations is required, but only if one or both parties file objections to the findings and recommendation, emphasis in original. Moreover, in her petition, plaintiff indicates her intention to file an amended complaint in accordance with the R&R. The court thus adopts Judge Baldwin's R&R as unopposed. The court grants, that would be like if I wanted to appeal it, but I don't. I know that thing needs to be amended. It's a hot mess. So anyway, court grants Hokinson's IFP application and dismisses the complaint without prejudice and with leave to amend to cure deficiencies identified in the R&R. Plaintiff is reminded that she must comply with federal rules of civil procedure in the amended pleading. And to amend the complaint replaces the original, right? So you can't just go, oh, well, I said that in the first one. No, you got to make it like it's all brand new. I get that. So the court further finds a good cause to grant plaintiff's request for an extension in the deadline to file an amended complaint as directed in R&R. Plaintiff will have up to and including April 10th, 2025 to file an amended complaint and is therefore ordered. Judge Baldwin's report is accepted and adopted. Is further ordered plaintiff application to proceed in form of papyrus is granted. Further ordered that complaint is dismissed without prejudice and with leave to amend, which is fine, right? So as long as I amend it, right? So it's further ordered that the motion to extend time to file an amended complaint is further ordered that if plaintiff chooses to file an amended complaint during curing deficiencies in her complaint as outlined in R&R, she must file her amended complaint on or before April 10th, 2025. If plaintiff chooses not to file an amended complaint, action will be dismissed for failure to state a claim. Perfect. And then Miranda M. Dew. She's an amazing judge. I looked into this lady, and I'm just so happy we got her. So yay! Just had to share that with you guys. Okay, much love.